morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at Leisure Art's Sunflower Diamond Art Kit that I completed in February of 2021. But first, some facts. This sunflower was $12.99 at Joann's. The round partial pattern is an 8x8, and the diamond painting area is about an inch smaller than that on all sides. With 10 diamond colors and its small size, Leisure Arts considers this a beginner pattern. The frame is an 8-inch teak magnetic poster hanger frame I got in a 2-pack on Amazon for $7.99. Was this fun? I completed the sunflower in February of 2021. This happy pattern was a joy to work on. It was one of my first diamond paintings, and I would wholeheartedly recommend it as an excellent beginner pattern. It took me several evenings to finish it, and I looked forward to working on it the entire time. There's enough confetti or color changing to keep anyone interested, and because of its size, it's not overwhelming as you're just starting out. If you have a masterpiece that you've created, please leave a link in the comments to your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. site to share your beautiful work. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.